We're not going to complete the other constant ones, subconstant, mole constant, and div constant. Mole just stands for multiply, div stands for division. So the code is going to look very similar. So this subconstant will just take this constant value and subtract it from each value in the array. So all we need to do here is say val minus constant for val in array. Mole constant is multiplying. We're going to multiply each value in the array by some number. Here is 3. You can see in the little example. And then divide, well, we're just going to divide. Here I changed input so they're all divisible by 3. And then we get this as our answer. Okay, let's see now. I've saved it. And I'm going to run python test myarray.py again. And now I'm down to 5 failures. So you can see here that I just completed 3 more. So there was 9 total. Now I've passed 4 and I'm down to 5. So one thing I want to show you is that it gives you this report on the ones that are incorrect. And it tells you exactly what has happened over here. Like that. And the end report over here. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to purposely add 1 here just to show you. I should now be up to 6 failures, and I am. Okay, so when you actually have an array that's not just none, it's going to show you that it says first differing element. So it actually gives you a nice detailed description of what the problem is. So we have 16 over here is different than 15. And it says, all right, that's wrong. So it was expecting this, but it got 1 more. So the first element was different, and it failed right away after that. All right, let's just go ahead and delete this and call this again. Should be back down to 5 failures. All right, so that's it for those constant ones.